So we are looking at a recursively defined sequence where A1, the first term, is 4, and then the subsequent terms are defined by this equation. Okay, in terms of the previous terms, so we have A1 equals 4 and A2 equals, then A2 is how much? A1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1. So that means A2 will be 5 divided by 6 minus A1 according to this relationship. That is 5 over 6 minus 4, and that is going to be 5 over 2, or I'm just writing it 2.5. And after that, we are just going to give it to, say, first to Google Sheets. Okay. So I went ahead and Googled Google Sheets. Okay, so it took me here, and I'm just going to ask for a blank worksheet. And since these are too tiny, so I would like to make them a little bigger. So let's make the font size, say, 24 and bold, and the 24 disappeared now. I hope it stays. No, it does not stay. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, it just took too much of your time here. Maybe there is a way you can tell me. All right. Okay, so here we are. Good. So my A1 was 4, right? Okay, or let me just put the sequence, the indexing of the sequence here. So we are going to write, quite a few terms here. And here my first term is 4. And the subsequent terms are guided by this rule. So I will just take this here, first equals. So I'll just write or why don't I just write it like this? So 5 over 6 minus, and it's not letting me type in bold letters. Let's see if the output is in bold letters. Yeah, it is in bold letters. Okay. And then the second one would be the same, 5 divided by 6 minus. Okay. And we did this. All right. And now we can do this, choose these guys and drag it down, and it shows us that it appears to converge to 1. Okay. So now let's do the same thing in, say, TI84. All right, so let me pull up TI84 here. Okay, let me just tell you how do you get in that at that place in TI84. Remember this, generally you have your mode in function mode. Now we are going to change it to sequence mode. So when you bring your Y1, this Y tab, that's how it looks like. So what we have is that we are going to start with n equals 1, and one second, n equals 1, and then for UN, even though not necessary, you can change the format to this. That is UN plus 1, just the way it's written here. So I'm going to write 5 divided by 6 minus. Now I'm just going to choose from the alphabets. So U is right here, uppercase, or the second feature in U. And then N will be taken from this input side. All right. So here we are, and it's asking for U1, U2. Well, we got U1 and U2, so we will give those to it, okay? All right, or whatever you want to say, and let's see our table set. It starts at 36. Let's start it at 1, auto, okay? And then when we go there, we see we have gotten the table of, or rather a table of values, okay?